Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at plane surfaces. Now today discuss about topics solve the problems. Let's start the class. Solve the problems. First problem, the speed of light in a diamond is 1,24,000 kilometers per seconds. Find the refractive index of diamond if the speed of light in air is 3 lakhs kilometer per seconds. Okay, this is question. The speed of light in diamond is 1,24,000 kilometers per seconds. Diamond. Find the refractive index of diamond. Okay, find the refractive index of diamond. Next one, the speed of light in air is 3 lakhs kilometer per seconds. Okay, this is question. Find the refractive index value. Find the refractive index value. Solve the problem. Okay, first problem. Answer A. Write given data. Given data. First one, speed of light in diamond. Speed of light in diamond value 1,24,000 kilometer per seconds. Speed of light in diamond is equal to 1,24,000 kilometer per seconds. Next one, speed of light in vacuum is equal to 3 lakhs kilometer per seconds. Speed of light in vacuum is equal to 3 lakhs kilometer per seconds. To find the refractive index. Okay, write refractive index. Refractive index. What is meant by refractive index? The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium is called refractive index. Write refractive index is equal to speed of light in diamond by speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in diamond by speed of light in vacuum. This is formula. Okay, after that, refractive index RI. RI means refractive index. RI is equal to speed of light in diamond. See this one. Speed of light in diamond is equal to 1,24,000. Right. 1,24,000 by speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum. How much value? 3 lakhs. Right? 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Okay, after that 3 cancel, last 3 zeros cancel. Okay, refractive index is equal to 124 by 300 value. Exactly 2.419. Exactly 2.419. Nearly 2.42. 2.42. Exactly refractive index value 2.42. Okay, to find the refractive index value 2.42. This is a first problem. Second problem, refractive index of glass relative to water is 9 by 8. What is the refractive index of water relative to glass? This is question. Once again repeat this question. Refractive index of glass relative to water is 9 by 8. Glass to water is 9 by 8. Okay, next one. What is the refractive index of water to glass? Question this one. Okay, solve the problem. Second problem. Refractive index. Refractive index. Refractive index of glass relative to water. Refractive index of glass relative to water. Glass to water. Okay, glass to water value how much? 9 by 8. Glass to water is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, after that, since glass is equal to 9, glass is equal to 9, water is equal to 8, glass is equal to 9, water is equal to 8. Okay, see this one, refractive index of glass 9, relative to water 8, glass to water is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, observe this one, glass to water is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, this answer, what is the refractive index of water related to glass? Okay, next one, refractive index of water relative to glass. Okay. Refractive index of water relative to glass. Okay, exactly value. Tell me, guess the answer. Simple answer. Water to glass. This one, glass to water 9 by 8. Glass to water 9 by 8. This one, water to glass. How much value? 8 by 9. This is answer. 8 by 9. This is answer. Okay, this is second problem answer. Water to glass value 8 by 9. Third problem. Question. Refractive index of glass is 3 by 2. Then what is the speed of light in glass? This is question. Okay, solve the problem. First one, refractive index of glass. What is the refractive index? The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. It is called refractive index. Glass is a air. Okay, glass is a air. Write refractive index. Right answer. Refractive index. Refractive index. Okay, refractive index is equal to refractive index of glass is value 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, refractive index formula what? Refractive index formula what? C by V. C by V. C means vacuum. C means vacuum. V means medium. The speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. It is called refractive index. C means vacuum. V means medium. C by V is equal to 3 by 2. Refractive index formula C by V is equal to 3 by 2. I am wrote. Okay, next one. Since C is equal to 3 into 10 power of 8. 3 into 10 power of 8. Already told properties of light. Speed of light in vacuum value 3 into 10 power of 8. Okay, next one I am write C value how much? 3 into 10 power of 8 by V is equal to 3 by 2. Next one, subject of V is equal to 3 into 10 power of 8. 3 into 10 power of 8. Okay, into 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay, reciprocal. Okay, next one, 3 cancel. 3 cancel. V is equal to 2 into 10 power of 8. 2 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Okay, V means medium. V means medium. Okay, speed of light in glass in first medium 2 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Meter per seconds. This is third problem.